the generative AI platform that helps you create and edit videos, images, and more using advanced AI tools. Currently, we are on the Runway websites. Let's click on Get Started, and we will log in with our credentials and log in with Google. Once that's done and out of the way, let's explore the tools that we have here. Let's go to all tools, and here we can see generate video, generate image, generate audio, lip sync video, and many more. So let's start with generating a video. Here you can see that we have been credited 125 credits. So let's first start with generating an image for ourselves. Once that's done, I like the first image, so I'll take that as reference for our video generation. That's great. We'll click on video and then drag our image to that part, and we will give it a prompt for the video. Let's wait until it's generated. So each image generation takes up to 8 credits, and a video generation takes 25 credits each. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see what have you generated. So let's now have a look at the pricing lists. It starts from $0 and it could range up to $2,000 per year. And there's a monthly plan too for the same.